Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Infinix Note 5 and the Honor 9N. Now before we get started, these are the specifications of both phones. Infinix Note 5 sports a MediaTek Helio P23 processor with Mali G71 MP2 GPU, while Honor 9N sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now purely based on raw performance, Honor is better, but Infinix comes with pure stock Android, so let's see which phone performs better. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, so I'll call it as a tie. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, Honor 9N was able to keep more apps in memory. So in this round, I'll pick Honor 9N as the winner. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just gonna fast forward it a bit to make it quick. Now while opening games, Honor 9N was noticeably faster. So on the whole, in the speed test, for regular applications, it's a tie, but for the rest of the stuff, like memory management and raw performance, Honor 9N is definitely the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.